Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, guys. We are going to study dictionaries in Python programming. Dictionaries are a way of storing elements just like you would in Python. Lists that rather than accessing elements using its index, you assign a fixed key to it and access the element using the key. What you now deal with its key value here, which is sometimes a more appropriate data structure for many problems instead of a simple list. You will often have to deal with dictionaries when doing data science. A dictionary in Python is a collection of items accessed by a specific key rather than by an index. Initializing a dictionary in Python. For example, let's take this dictionary A. We have multiple key and multiple values. For example, the key apple and the value fruit. If we need to if we need to give the key the value stack, we can create this line. To print the value of the key apple, we will write print a of the key apple, and we have a result fruit. The items in a dictionary can have any data type. Dictionary items. Dictionary items are order changeable and does not allow duplicates. Some Python dictionary method. In a dictionary, we have multiple methods to manipulate a dictionary. For example, the method clear help us to remove all the elements from the dictionary. CMP to compare two dictionaries. Copy to get a copy of the dictionary. From case to get a dictionary with specified keys and values. Get to get the value of specified key. Items to get a list containing the tuple for each value pair. Let's have some practice in dictionaries. For example, we are going to create this dictionary converts underscore mount. We have multiple data types in key and values. For example, the key is string, the key is number, the key is number, and this value is a list. If we need the value of the key generally, we can write converts month of the key gen, or you can sample create converts underscore month dot get of the key January. If a key if we don't have a key, for example, Codzilla, we can write this statement to inform that key is not found in this in that dictionary converts. Let's run the code. We have the value of the key generally. We have the value of the key generally in other method. We have this statement because this key doesn't found in this dictionary. Thank you for watching. To the next video.